Here I have DOOGEE N30, and today I'm going to show you how to add widgets on a home screen on this device. So to do this, just hold down your finger on any free space on your home screen, and then go to the widget section. And here you can see all the widgets you can add, like you have the calendar widgets, like Chrome widgets, clock, contacts, like Drive, a lot of different widgets. For example, let's add maybe calendar, why not? And then you just place it here like this. You can change its size. Okay, unfortunately you can't change size of this widget, but usually you can change size of different widgets of other widgets. Let's try another one. For example, maybe let's try note list. Okay, I don't know what with this note list. Maybe Chromebook. Oh, and this is what I'm talking about. You can change its size here, as you can see. And that's how it's done. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.